Today, we're adding a pulsing zoom effect to your video using the built-in pulse effect. It's perfect for adding energy and motion to your clips. Let's jump in. First, select your video clip from the timeline. Then go over to the Effects tab on the right, scroll through or search for an effect called Pulse. This one gives your video a subtle zoom in and zoom out rhythm. Click on it and the effect will apply. Now, on the right hand panel, you'll see a few settings to fine tune how the effect works. Use the speed slider to control how fast the zoom pulses. Use the amount slider to adjust how strong the zoom effect feels. And finally, there's a loop checkbox. If you want the pulsing effect to repeat the entire length of the clip, make sure this is checked. If you uncheck it, the pulse will only play once. Preview your video and tweak the settings until it looks just right. And that's it. You've added a clean and dynamic pulsing zoom effect in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick Clipchamp tips.